Hi, this is Anissa, and today on Take Back Beauty, we're going to talk about tips and tricks and how to apply foundation with brushes. Today I'm going to talk about applying foundation, and what I've done to get my skin ready for that is I have primed it and I've concealed. With foundation, it has a lot to do with your skin type, skin tones, how much coverage do you like, do you prefer liquids, do you prefer powders? It's really up to you, and there's so many great brands and products out there, so I really would encourage you to find what's best for you. For me, I really like to use a liquid. However, I want to talk a little bit more about brushes because brushes are the perfect way to apply any foundation. And when the first foundation brush really ever came out for women, it was this paddle, and which is very significant in the sense of it had to do with a canvas, creating a canvas. It had to do with painting the foundation on. And I think women find this to be very manageable, and this is a great brush, and if that works for you, there's nothing wrong with that. But I like to take it up a notch. And what I like to do is buff foundation in. I will get my foundation ready, and then I will use it with the brush. And I like a light to medium coverage, and I like to buff it into my skin. And that would create a really nice complexion, even toned, and still natural. Again, buffing is a circular motion. This is a very flexible brush. It can have a lot of product, and it can be very forgiving. That is with a liquid foundation. My hair. Some women love powder foundations. And for me, it's not great because of the lines on my face. I really don't want to accentuate those, but there's some really good powders right now that won't do that. And again, it's about the shape of the brush, how you can pat it into the compact, and then you can sweep it on, creating a very natural coverage, but still a really polished and finished look. So those are just a few of the foundation brushes that I would recommend, the shapes, the types of foundation. So I hope this was helpful, and then you got a little bit of new tips and tricks on how to apply foundation. So thanks for watching.